Good morning, sir. My name is ABHAY YADAV. I am pursuing Master of Computer Application in Jagan Institute of Management Studies in Delhi. My technical skills are I am a Next.JS developer and I create multiple projects in this tech stack and I deployed them on internet. One of them project is StreamSphere. Idea regarding this project is came from my mind because of YouTube. YouTube provides streaming softwares, but it is not a primary streaming website. It is a video sharing website. So YouTube provide a streaming software, but it is a monopoly because YouTube cut 40% share from AdSense. Apart from that, it cut 30% share from Super Chat. So I create my own streaming website. So in this website, we can generate our own key. First is RTMP key and second is WHIP key. These two are the type of keys in which we use for streaming purpose. So after choosing our key, we can generate our key and then paste into the streaming software. For example, I use in this particular demonstration OBS. So I paste this key in my OBS and now can I start the stream. So after that starting the stream, I can chat, I can temporary user, chat and I can reply them and so on. When I feel they are spamming the chat, I can change the setting to followers only. Means who follows me then only can chat. I am enable this setting. Now this a person is not able to chat until they follow me. And for following me, they require to at least log in into my website. So when the user try to log in, they have to insert their email. After that, they have to unique identify their username. So after putting unique username, they able to enter the website. For this authentication process, I use the Clerk. Clerk is a type of software that provides the authentication in Next.js. So I created a dummy name and after that this redirected to me the website and now I can chat and follow them. When a person login and they try to spam, then I have one last option for avoiding this. I can block this user from my community tab. So after blocking this user sees a blank screen in their display and which means this is disconnected and after refreshing that I am not able to find my stream. So when I click the same URL of my stream, then it is not able to find that stream. So this provide me a safety of spamming the users and after some time I realize this is a kind person, this is not spamming, then I can unblock from my community tab. And at there I can edit my stream info. For example, I can change my name, I can upload the thumbnail and so on. For uploading this thumbnail, I use the S3 bucket, but in AWS it provides a higher cost. So I found a new website called uploadthing.com. It provides serverless means S3 bucket within less quantity of price means first GB of S3 bucket and uploadthings.com is free. So you can track my data. 6 October means today I upload 2.11 MB file in upload thing S3 bucket. So when this full means I upload the thumbnail, it full the S3 bucket. So after that I have to buy the premium one. But for now as my personal project, this is more than enough. Now I am stopping my streaming and let's check the collect.com. I am seeing lots of data of user that are logging into my website from past date to till now. And for generating LiveKit URL, I use livekit.io. This provide me a LiveKit URL that helps me in the streaming industry. So this is the main soul of my project. This provide me the live streaming URL and after that I paste into my OBS and I can stream easily. I can change my profile name and my DP and so on. These are minor changes which can I apply on my this project. And after that the main important question is my database. Which type of database I use? I use NoSQL database and my database name is PostgreSQL. So I use an ORM that is Prisma. ORM stands for Object Relational Mapping. I can use ORM for hiding the all complexity queries of NoSQL. So I use ORM and this is my database. You can easily see that. And again, this is my GitHub link. of this project. This is deployed and I upload this source code on GitHub. You can check it out. So that's it is my project. I hope I explained pretty well. So that's yeah, bye.